Today we are generating Python codes using ChatGPT to build our own notepad. So let's type build a notepad for window using Python, and let's see. Automatically ChatGPT will start giving us a code, and it's amazing. You see how it's is implementing all these files automatically. And what we have to do is just take this code, copy it, and further we will go to our editor to paste it, for which stay connected. Have a look like how quickly ChatGPT give us a perfect code. And also he's suggesting us, like, if we want to build some more advanced features like update, cut, copy, paste, as you see in the last line, then we are able to like ask ChatGPT those features also to give us more features, then we will get. So just copy the code and paste it in our code editor, and then save it, and just go to terminal and run it. And here is the magic. You can see how quickly we are able to build a personal notepad. And in notepad right now there are two basic functionalities: open and save. Like, we can type anything and we save it in any locations. And also here open is, but as ChatGPT is mentioned, if we want some more features like delete, exit, copy, paste, then the same, we go to the chat gpt and type like give us a few more functionalities and write the name of those functionalities. Then chat gpt will give us a new code, like more broader way, in a more functionality ways. We use the same, copy it in our editor, and we will get the more advanced notepad. So here you can see how quickly we are able to create notepad. And if we are going to do it manually, then it will definitely going to take us our few time and research. So yeah, for more tutorials, if you are really interested, so subscribe the channel to know more about chat gpt. And as you see here, I am saving the code, saving the generated notepad here. And whenever we want to access it, we are able to access it. It is a normal notepad, not just a virtual one. So yeah, stay connected from the channel for more tutorials. Thank you.